Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On this episode of my weight loss journey and my ketogenic diet journey, I want to show you how I do ketogenic diet the African way. So today's episode, I'm going to show you how I grill fish, make my coconut banku and hot pepper, which is shito. If you want to learn how to do this recipe so you can also do the ketogenic diet so you don't feel deprived, please watch this video. Stay tuned to finish the episode. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, share. It helps me out if you like it. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below as to what other recipes that you guys want to see. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in another episode. Thank you. Bye. So I'm going to start with pompano, which I've already cleaned, and also 1 cube of Maggi cube or adobo. If you don't have Maggi cube, you can use adobo. Make sure that the adobo that you use doesn't have any carbs or any hidden sugars in it. I will start also with sprinkling the fish with avocado oil. Avocado oil doesn't have any taste, so I like using it, and it's also good for you. I will rub the fish with salt, which I use a Himalayan salt. I use the Himalayan pink salt. So I'll do both sides with the avocado oil and the pink salt. And I will use this adobo seasoning. I got this from Ross. Usually when I find them, I just stock up because it's not an everyday seasoning that you find. So whenever I find it at Ross or TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I just stock up. And this adobo seasoning doesn't have any sugar or carbs. Now just rub the fish. Now I don't usually measure stuff. I don't know how. So, not that I don't know how. I don't like doing it. I know how to measure. I just don't like doing it. I'm an African woman, god damn it. No, I just don't like doing it. I will preheat my oven at 450 degrees. Let the fish rest while the oven is preheating. Now I will start preparing the banku. So now I will start preparing for the banku portion of our fish and banku, lunch or dinner. I will start with coconut flour. So this is my coconut flour that I use, and I also got this from Ross. But if I go to Ross and I don't find coconut flour, I usually get it from Whole Foods. That's the next best thing that I have tried. The next best place that I have tried to buy coconut flour. And since I'm just making this for myself, I grabbed 3 tablespoons of the coconut flour. I also add 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, a pinch of salt. I like it salty. And 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Sorry, it just dumped in. And to the mixture, I will add cold water to my desired texture or consistency. So I just add a little bit at a time so I don't make it too mushy. And this bowl is too big, but that's what I have right now. The vinegar takes away the sweetness of the coconut flour, and it gives it the sour taste that you get from eating banku or kenkey. And this recipe was given to me by a friend. Her name is Mimi. She gave me this recipe and I tried it out and I fell in love. Usually I use cabbage for my fufu. No, sorry. Usually I use cabbage for my banku, which I can also show you guys on another episode how I do the cabbage banku. But this one gives me the texture of banku, so I like it, and the taste.